Jam, everyone. Welcome back to another GC Crypto episode. Sunday night in America, Monday morning here in Australia. Craig, mate, how was your weekend? I mean, we were just talking before. Market's actually pumping right now, so it's nice to wake up to that. But Craig, how was your weekend, mate? What'd you get up to?
Yeah, no, it was good. Jim, everyone, Jim, Greeny, GG. Yeah, weekend was good. Watched South Africa lose against New Zealand in Eden Park, which was annoying. So my team lost there, but that's okay. Got to watch it with my dad. They left on Saturday night to fly back to New Zealand. So good to have them here, but also good to have the house empty, dude. It's like you got family over for 2 weeks. You're pretty bloody busy because if you're not working, you feel bad. So you're trying to spend time with them and work. It's actually quite stressful in a bull market, man, because you got your family over and you feel bad, and then I know you know what I'm saying. It's a tricky balancing act, especially in a bull market. It's like holy crap, guys. But obviously, you got to spend time with the family. So I'm glad I saw them for 2 weeks, but I'm also glad now that the house is empty and I can just focus on work for hopefully a few months before Christmas comes soon enough, dude. It's like, give me a break. Yeah, man. How's your weekend? I know you were at a. What do you call it? What do you call it in America? Bloody what
a stag do.
Stag do.
Is that what they call it? Or was that a UK thing?
It was another word Eli said. God damn it, I can't remember what it was. But basically, stag, bucks, and bachelor party. That's
your bachelor party. Yeah, no. So
how was that?
Yeah, mate, it's really good. I had one of my good mates who I've known for a long time since college, and a few boys I hadn't seen for probably a year or so. A really nice weekend away down in northern New South Wales, beautiful part of the world. That just south of where you live, Craig, and weather was pretty good. Rained a little bit, but we played a bit of golf and whatnot, which was fun. But look, socially lubricated. But the more I do these things, the more I it just really, I don't want to drink alcohol anymore. It genuinely it's one, so expensive these days. Two, you don't feel good like during, after, whatever it is. Three, it's just not good for your health. Like there's a lot that goes into it now that I'm really starting to think about a few things. So I know, we'll wait and see what happens. I mean, I got 2 weddings in I go overseas next week. So I got 2 weddings in 2 weeks and then another one and then I got another 2 weddings in 2 months time. So it's crazy. So it's a weird space, but hey, it is what it is. You got to live life. All that sort of stuff. I mean, a lot happened over the weekend, like the Wallabies as well. That was a good win by those guys on the last or in extra time. So that was epic. I saw that. I don't know if you watched Survivor, mate, but it's the Survivor versus the world. So Australian Survivor. That was the finale last night. And Parvati, who's she's a queen from the US.
I remember that name.
Yeah. She's pretty well known in the Survivor world. Yeah, she took it out, and I think she's a deserved winner. She dominated. I don't think she had one vote against her in the whole season. I was like, wow, that's pretty epic. So
I used to watch that show when it first came out, man. The first ever winner was that guy always used to be naked. I don't know if you remember. You would have been young,
not Rob. No, Bobby.
It was this older dude. He was 50, and he used to go fishing. He was the only guy that could catch. Here's a bit of history if you guys when Survivor first came out. Greeny was probably 10 when it came out. I was 18.
Dude, honestly though, it was.
He might have been 8.
Yeah, Survivor's so good. Yeah,
it was a gay dude who insisted on doing everything naked, but he was the only dude in the community that could fish or catch food.
Oh yeah.
Long story short, he won. This crazy naked dude won. It was great.
I love that.
Great show. I actually quite like Survivor. It's good.
Yeah, same. I'm a big fan of it. That and Alone are 2 of my favorite sort of shows to watch. Just more realistic and all those
Richard
sorts of
Hatch. Someone just wrote his name. It was
is that his name? Richard Hatch. I'll look him up.
How did someone fucking get that? They must have Googled it unless you got a good memory.
Unless they just.
Unless you are Richard. Are you Richard? I mean, you're that age watching the show.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, he does look familiar. Hey, no. So I want to go back and watch some of Parvati and stuff like Suri and whatnot from the US. I want to watch some US Survivor shows because it just give you a bit more context about how good they actually are. It's so different though. The really interesting part about this season was that it was Australia versus the world. And so what a lot of people probably don't even think about outside the box is the cultural differences in a range of different things, like how you communicate with someone. If you're someone that has never been outside your own country, you will be amazed by just a simple line of a sentence will be completely interpreted in a different way due to the culture that you have been raised in, right, Craig? You're a well-traveled man and I am too, but Like if we go to America, like even Eli on the show, like we'll talk.
Sarcasm's not always taken.
Yeah, the
that well.
sarcasm or like a statement that I'll say, like he'll interpret it in a way that I don't even think he will because he's not part of Aussie humor or Aussie culture and those sorts of things. So yeah, it's Nex is a big Survivor fan. Me too, man. I'm a big fan. I scheduled a tweet just before.
Psychology, I always liked it for the psychology.
Yeah, the social
And watching
parts.
people crack.
Yeah.
It's interesting. I always like watching humans operate. So also, I like the Oz Survivor. Yeah, he is quite good. Actually.
Yeah, he's about to go to America though. I think he's done. He's done because I think the guy who Jeff from American Survivor, he's no longer going to host. So Jonathan, who's been Australia's Survivor's host, is now doing the hosting on the American one, which that's a, and then David's gonna, who's I'm not a fan of him, but he's the guy who won another reality TV show, and he's been on Survivor a couple of times here in Oz. But yeah, he's now the new host. Not a fan of that. Personally, I think you could have chosen better people, Channel 10, but it is what it is, guys. But yeah, Craig, big weekend. Market's chilling. We are waking up to a bit of a pump breakout. I don't mind, honestly. There are some charts that I like on Abstract today, and I think we're going to talk about a few of them. There's also a few charts that I really do like across the board on altcoins. So genuinely interested in your take right now. Are you just happy in your position at the moment? And all those things. We'll dive into that. Somnia had their airdrop or launch, let's call it, and it's up 280% since a couple of weeks or 5 days ago. So lots happening in the market right now, lots of opportunities. But yeah, before we dive in, guys, massive shout out to our two partners, OKX. Easy exchange, guys, to onboard into crypto if you're got fiat in the US or over in Europe or in Australia. Really easy to onboard and offboard your fiat currency and then get involved in spot trading for crypto. So if you're keen to sign up, it's down below. But yeah, massive shout out to them. We had our IRL event last week. I put up an Instagram reel. That reel is done really well. It's my best reel performing, so that's interesting. And I put up the video on YouTube, on Twitter, and I'll put the full video on YouTube this week as well. So yeah, massive shout out to them for that event. It was a really fun event. Got a lot of good feedback from there, so that's great to see. And then obviously shout out to Yeet. We had our first big giveaway last week, Craig. We gave away $500 to two viewers. We'll be doing the same again this Friday, but we might break it up. We might make it like $200 for 5 people or $250 for 4 people to give more people an opportunity while there's less people on the board. So if you're an early adopter and you're keen and you follow us, you support us, then yeah, we're going to start giving away more money to more people. It's probably the main takeaway. So literally there's only 2 people on the board this week. So yeah. So don't forget, if you want to qualify, you do need to trade volume. So you go to yeet.com, put in GC crypto, use us as your referral. Okay. Then you start trade a little bit of there's only so G Money and Dan for DeFi are the only people with volume this week. So there you go.
Dan DeFi, he's the dude who won last week.
So he won last week. So Craig's just dropped that in the comment section, guys. I wonder if that does go. No, it doesn't. I'll have to put on Kick as well. But yeah, so guys, sign up. $1,000 again away to our live viewers on Friday this week. So that's exciting times. But there's a link in the chat. But yeah, guys, weekend was good. It's nice I felt really refreshed. I do feel better coming back. But again, I'm traveling next week, so going to be totally out of routine for the next 6 weeks or so. So it's gonna be a balance. But yeah, market's good, mate. So talk to me about your bags right now. Have you been buying? Dude, Pengu is sending 7% right now.
Is it? Damn it.
Yeah. But there's a lot of good charts that I like here.
Again, baby. Old season, Greeny. We're getting an old season.
I'm still, dude. So I saw you try and do down the bottom. Where you have the different options.
Yeah.
The one you want to choose is Showtime. It's called Showtime.
Showtime. Okay.
Yeah,
looking sleazy, my boys.
I think what you can customize it too. So if you click it's not the 3 dots, but it's the one beside it. You can customize it to be bigger for us, and then smaller for the screen. I
was too scared to hit it live.
That's fair enough, man. That's fair enough.
I was like, fuck, I don't want to customize enough. Fuck it.
It's I think, that just does that. Yeah, so you can customize a little bit on here, but yeah. So
can you customize live, stretch that live, and it doesn't?
I don't know. Let me have a look. Can I make that? That's a volume. Can I customize it? Alignment. Yeah, so I can go left or right alignment.
Oh, okay. That does. Okay, cool.
And there's a few. I swear I used to be able to. Maybe it's not on this one. Maybe it's on different. You can change the size of these squares, but yeah, the one that I use is Showtime. It's the one I've found the best. But yeah, looking sleazy, my boys. I don't know, bro. I'm a bit tired.
I'm not sure. I think sleazy might be a bad thing, but I'll take it.
Yeah, no, I'm good. That's why.
Seedy in Australia, we might say you look seedy.
Yeah, seedy. Yeah, sleazy is an
Sleazy,
interesting choice of
seedy.
words there. But yeah, the market looks pretty good here. Pengu, 7% bounce right now. Again, this is a bullish wedge. Like, there's a lot of actually abstract tokens that look pretty good here, Craig, that I am tempted to DJ in. My thoughts are.
Sleazy's a meme coin, my bro. That was a clever plug by that dude.
Is it actually? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, smart.
Motherfucker. Gotta say, well played. That'll be clipped. Well done. Enjoy. Enjoy the pre-promo.
What did are you buying any? Have you bought Pengu here or like?
Bro, I didn't buy the bottom of that channel like I said I was going to. I sort of was distracted over the weekend. So I actually, to be honest, over the last 2 days, I didn't give the market much.
Attention.
I mean, I still checked the price of Bitcoin and shit, but I didn't give it much more attention than that, dude. In fact, I didn't even check the price yesterday at all. I don't think, which is actually fucking good.
Yeah.
So I'm sort of just catching up with everyone now. So it's kind of the benefit, I suppose, of everyone tuning in. I guess we're all kind of figuring out how this week's looking. But looking at these altcoins, dude.
Yeah.
Pump, man. I'm really stoked to hold that pre-sale, man.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. I'm out of my long fully now.
That's been a ripper move, thank God, because I must admit for quite a few weeks I was like, shit, I got that horribly wrong.
Yeah.
Because obviously we had these sleaze again. Fuck's sake. Send us some allocation, man. I'll talk about it more. Jokes. Yeah, but nice to see. We all had a feeling that it would do that, didn't we, with Pump? Like at some point it's gonna have a criminal pump. Like,
well, I mean, yeah, look. Like their model, they've come back and now they're dominating, Craig. There was a period of time there you had like the light platform come in, let's Bonk come in, and I still see a lot of people on Twitter think Bonk's going to come back and that ecosystem's going to come back. So that's an interesting take. But yeah, I don't know. Like it pump. If we look at like Memecoin Wars, let me pull that up. Shout out to Adam, who's now finally like proper going viral. Like this, I've shared this guy before, but Adam Tech, I've literally followed him for over a year, and he's now going viral with his June dashboards, which is great to see. But yeah, if you look at this one, basically Pump Fund is now back to dominating. There was a period of time here, like this period here, where Let's Bonk and Bonk went crazy, and then we obviously had this one over here, which was Heaven and the Light platform, all that stuff. But as you can see here, back to norm. So again, this is over a 5-month period.
Business as usual.
Yeah, look. There's still a decline. As you can see, there's a slight decline from the left to the right. A little bit of bonk had season here, but it's still going down to the right, which shows you that there's less tokens being deployed. Again, is that representative of just the market right now? I'd probably say yes. Like the market is very quiet. It's chop season. September's historically very just, like neutral, if not slightly red. But it's Q4 that I become very interested. So I know I've seen a lot of people call tops. I've seen a lot of people stable up. I know Wizard Soho, great trader. He's about 60% stables. I know Anton tweeted out last week, but he's engagement farming, so who really knows? I know he's probably more stable.
You wouldn't know where's Port stands, would you?
Yeah, no, probably not anymore. I actually stabled up a lot last week, and I want to talk about the comment that you guys that I commented last week about some of the NFTs and stuff that I sold and my reasoning behind it. Right. Look, Q4 I think will be okay. I think we'll be all right. A lot of people like rate cuts. Well, again, you got to remember like macroeconomic conditions are vastly different to when the last huge rate cuts were in 2020 and all that sort of stuff before, like pre-COVID. We had like all this, or post-COVID, sorry, where you have all this like money flowing in the ecosystem. Everything was cheap, and then the Fed was too late to increase rates coming out of that, and now they're probably too late dropping the rates. They should have been probably a few steps ahead. So it's an interesting point of time for me. That's why I stabled up. I don't even know the math, but maybe 20% of my port is stabled at this point in time. Just purely because I don't know. There are a few top signals that you could look at. I mean, like BTC had a massive bearish divergence. Where is it?
Oh shit.
Oh wait, all my charts have. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I mean, this is a massive bearish divergence off these highs. So, look, it's things like that I'm like, oh yeah, let's keep an eye on. So even if we push like up to this, like a lot of people might think that we might go high, but if that's like a triple top, that is even more of a concern, right? So there's a few things that I'm looking at right now.
I don't think it's not screen sharing, Grinny.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, even if we push up and only sweep this liquidity one more time, then that's technically a triple top. So, yeah, look, there's a few things I'm looking at. I'm like, look, it's better to have some stables over on the side. It's always good to be stable. I think this cycle alone has just taught you to be so rotational and just take profit, cut weakness, all those sorts of things. And I think a big conversation for me more recently has been not like I looked before, Craig. I have like $250,000 in abstract moonbirds and pudgy penguins, right? So
yeah, I'm probably not far.
So when you think about it from that perspective, you're like, far out. Like, that's a house deposit that I have in this. So that's why I sold one of my moonbirds. That's why I sold my little pudgy, and why I stabled up on abstract, because I was like, dude, you cannot have it would have been way high when I was up. It would have been like 300, 400,000 when the market was pumping. So like, that's a lot of money. You got to remember this. And so it had gone from like a small portion of my portfolio to be like 60-70% of my port at that period of time. I was like, oh no, I can't have that. It makes me queasy. Like, I'm about to travel, so I personally can't be as plugged in every day as I normally would be. So that's another big reason I decided to de-risk a few things. Plus, I've hit platinum. I'm very happy with that. The little pudgy was giving me 10% bonus on there. I'm like, okay, I can afford to sell that. I sold it. I actually like made over 2.5x on the trade because of US numbers.
That's
so again,
good.
I sold that, stabled up the ETH. I was like, look, I've got so much ETH exposure. I'm just going to stable up my ETH from those sales. So I sold one moonbird as well, just shy of 2.9 ETH. So my thoughts are like, I think they go high. I'm very bullish, but I'm still very bullish. I've got 250K invested or something along those lines. But it's like, it's also like, I need to de-risk that aspect of the portfolio. And I don't think a lot of people understand how to structure portfolios over time and go with the ebbs and flows of the market and the trends.
Yeah, and just to balance it, right? Actually, you hit the nail on the head there. The ebbs and flows is probably the key word there. Knowing when to cut a not necessarily a weak trade, but a trade that's already been strong, like you were in. Yeah, they dipped a bit, and you've obviously decided a 2.5x is still pretty fucking juicy on a little pudgy. Why hang in 6 months for 3.5 or 4? And like you said, if your stomach's getting queasy and you're getting a bit like, oh fuck, then that's probably a good time to take a 2.5x, dude. Like, because you've won.
Yeah.
Right. You've someone else has lost there. You've won.
Yeah.
And you can let them carry the baton for 6 months to a year, and all the best to them who grabbed the baton and ran with it.
Yeah,
I'm one of them. I still got mine, so don't worry, guys. I'm yeah, not a bad move. Not a bad.
No,
move.
I mean, like, and I still hold like my big pudgy, and same as you, Craig. Our big pudgy is up 2x from when we bought. So, I'm in profit, maybe not in ETH, but I'm in profit in US. And you got to remember that at the end of the day, it's fiat currencies that we use to live.
Yeah, pay your bills and everything else.
Yeah, so I don't know. Like, I actually turned off my BTC bot as well. I was like, look, I've accumulated enough here. I had a nice order hit at 107 the other day. I've got orders down here that I'm happy to buy for longer term if they hit. But I was like, look, I've got enough now. I sold my ordinals. That was another decision I made. My thinking was like, it's a trade that I don't usually like to take. Is the hope. Let's call it the hope trade, right? Where it's, I hope ordinals receive some love. I hope they get some market value back. I hope they get some volume. Like that. It's the same preference as like when people were waiting for Elon to tweet about their meme coin. It's like like you are basing a trade on absolutely nothing, right? Like is the real takeaway there. Now, of course, a lot of people, I probably could have held it. Like, to be honest, it was a small amount of my portfolio. I don't know, 10 grand, maybe less. I can't remember what it was. But in the same department, I was like, I had literally watched BTC puppets drop 50%. I watched No Monkeys over 50%. And I was like, far out, man. I can't like, I'm bleeding on abstract chain. I'm bleeding on my ordinals. I have to do something here because it's not the way that aligns with my trading thesis, my trading plan. So for me, I had to cut that. So yeah, look, I cut that. So that's good. I feel good. I'm like, look, I'll stack the stats. I'll turn off my DCA bot. That's another 0.07. I think I got. I think I put in 0.0. No, wait, I got 0.06, I think, from both the orders. And I think I put in 0.08. So I only lost 25% because of my timing. So it's actually not too bad. But it is a bit annoying. But hey, look, I don't win all the time. And people need to remember that. You don't win 100%. So Yeah, basically, look, it's interesting times. Eli said he took 40% out of his pump trade at that price. Yeah, very nice, mate. Very good trade. Yeah, very good trade. So yeah, I don't know, Craig. What's your thoughts on my decisions to de-risk my little pudgy, my moonbird, and my two ordinals?
Yeah, I don't mind it. I think you had made money, like I said, on the little pudgy. I can see why you cut the ordinals as well. It's also a bit of a time suck having to watch the prices of all those things. So, if you get into the stage of being worried about it, or if you just want to put that money somewhere else that you think's a stronger investment as well, or just to put it into fiat and not feel so nervous or whatever the word is you're looking for, edgy, anxiety. You want to keep yourself calm. So I think anytime you can make you make a sale which calms you down, the best is to take profit like you did on the little pudgy. I think it's probably the right play. And you're still heavily in the market. So you just reshuffled your deck. I don't think that's a bad thing at all. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, and I mean, I know maybe I knew particularly if we did correct further over the weekend, I was going to be like, okay, at least I'm away from the charts and I've made the right decision that way. And if we pump from here sick, I've still got heavy exposure in a range of different ways. If we don't, then I've made the right decision. I think we're just chopping. But yeah, I mean, for me right now, I think we chop sideways still for a bit. Like we're seeing a really nice pump today. Like Pengu's up 8%. Really nice. This is a bullish wedge here just quietly. So I actually don't mind this chart. It is bottoming here on the 3-day. The weekly and 5 days still have a little bit longer for me, but that is these are two very bullish wicks.
Yeah,
very bullish wicks on the 5-day chart. The daily also bottomed here. So like there's a few signals here that I like seeing. It's also at the 0.5. Hold on, that's not right. Yeah, no, that's not at the 0.5. That's what I thought. What has happened to my chart here? Anyways, here we go. Okay, now it's a bit cleaner. But basically, it's from the swing low to the swing high. It's in this weird stage. But I've said this last week on stream as well. Like, if you can again, Pengu needs to get probably above about 3.1 cents, and that's where I'm like, okay, it's out of this little mini range that it's in. If it sets a high low here, so technically this is a high low over the last 4 days compared to this low. If it can then set another high low here this coming week, I become very interested in honestly buying. I would much rather buy a massive bag of this and swing trade it, even if it's just to the high. If I buy, say, 50 grand of this and it goes up 50%, like that's $25,000, right? And that's a much more confident play. Like I'm in the point of time where my decisions right now are less high risk, more low risk, but allocate more capital.
I agree.
Is like, and my regret being mainly the Trump trade, the pump trade, is I only had like a couple $100 in that trade because I didn't bridge enough money at the right time onto Bybit for the long. If I had bridged, if I had like 20 grand over there, I could have would have been a very nice trade. So yeah, I'm in that point of view right now. I'm like something like this where I'm very happy with what the chart looks like, with the strength of it. I know Q4 is historically very bullish for pudgy penguins and that igloo and the whole ecosystem, right? So you can't fade again, like what history said. Abstract TG around the corner. They have the ETF as well that they'll make a decision in about a month's time. Okay, question for you. If the ETF decision for Pengu / pudgy penguins doesn't go ahead, is that bearish for Pengu? And chat, you can answer that too. Study Cyclops. Yeah, no, I just bought some.
I suppose it is bearish in the way that sentiment will not. I mean, I won't enjoy seeing that. I'm sure. It'll be bearish for a moment. How long it's bearish for, I'm not sure. But yeah, I would not like to see. You mean just a flat out refusal? They just say, "Nah, no go. This is not getting an ETF," or delayed? You mean?
Yeah, I suppose both would both.
Yeah, a delay I'll handle. A flat no, I think price might suffer a little bit, but yeah, I mean, me personally, I like that catalyst being in the background, and if I like that, other people must like it, which means if they don't get it, they're going to dislike it. So I'm going to assume that people feel similar to me, and if that's taken away, there's just one less good catalyst, and that's quite a big one actually. Really, because I think because they're talking about that ETF, it includes the NFTs, doesn't it?
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure it's 90% Pengu and then 10%
Yeah.
Pudgy Penguins. So
I
again,
need them
what
not
does that
to
actually
say
look
that.
like? Yeah, like does that mean they buy it, or is it OTC deal, or do they just get sent tokens from like the treasury? I don't know. I don't know what that actually looks like either. So
Neither. I just hope they wait for me to sell before they give silly news like that, man. Don't fucking let me get stuck. The last thing I want to do is end up at the same in 21 where I get stuck holding all my fucking bags again. So
yeah,
that's the trick, and that's where you're sort of at at the moment, making sure you cut enough that you're not stuck with shit.
yeah.
I've got a prediction market open at the moment that it won't
Oh,
be.
let's talk about that. Yeah, a lot of people talk about that.
Myriad.
Yeah, okay. Let's
I think
hold on. Let me pull
it's
that.
the ETF by October.
Oh, say
Uh,
again. Which market? Oh, pull it up.
Myriad.
Mhm.
They've got I think it's, will Pingu get its ETF approved by October? I said no. But I am up there. But yeah. Yeah, definitely not bullish. Yeah, if it refuses flat out, that would be not great.
Kick viewers are liking sleaze, man. Never even heard of the token. Pengu a good short here. Absolutely not, mate. Absolutely not.
No, I wouldn't be. Jesus.
I mean, if you're a good trader and you're on low time frames and you know exactly what you're doing, like GTG members, like Aussie and Sexy and all those guys in Maxo and Co in the futures channel in GTG, go for it. If you're like me and you don't have the time to sit on the hourly, the 15-minute charts, no.
Yeah, fuck.
You don't short a corrective move like that. You want to be shorting. You want to short. Okay, I put a tweet out about this recently. Short tops, long bottoms.
Yeah, that little double top there, right, with those wicks.
Yeah,
that would have been beautiful.
Yeah. Here's a lesson too on that too for the viewers. Like it come up and it retests here. Like, yep, this is an all-time high, right?
Yeah.
Two things happen there. Either we go crazy and it's just like, yep, see you later, or you reject from there. It's pretty simple. An all-time high trade is very simple. So yeah, because we'd timed the absolute bottom, like go back, watch our Twitter. We literally nailed the bottom. We were up like 8x. I was like, I sold. I made a lot of money on Pengu. And I sold because of this. I was like, okay, rejection here. I'll happily sell here and I'll buy back down here. And maybe it's time for me to buy. Maybe it's time, Craig. Maybe I need to buy it right now while it's pumping.
It's probably not a bad buy even at this level for me personally. I don't hate it. I kind of feel like if it broke lower from here, the market's probably struggling as a whole.
Mm-hmm.
Not to say that's the reason why you should just ape in.
So you're on the no here.
Yeah.
What's your entry? Holy shit!
No, I got in real early.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Sorry, real early. I'm up 50%.
Nice.
Yeah.
See, there's a lot of
So I got in pretty early on that one when it first came out.
Yeah.
Fuck, that was just a blind guess, though, to be perfectly honest with you. Not a blind guess, but I was just like, it feels
it's been out since July.
Yeah, so I've been sitting in it a while.
Dude, is this Eli? Are you working for Myriad, bro? Like, what the fuck is this? Up or down, bro? That's like you and your bounce tweets. Like, come on, homie. Dude, I loved the engagement chat you guys had on Fridays.
That was fucking funny, man.
I put up a post yesterday saying the reason I ask so many questions is because one, I genuinely read the replies, and two, it gives you insight and analysis of what the common crypto Twitter
psychology.
Correct. And so there's a lot that always goes into my tweets, not just.
I don't mind what are they? You can put up the questions. With the percentages and stuff on Twitter.
Yeah.
Good, man. I use that. I used to use it a lot.
I used to use it as well. It's good info. I mean, I put up one about altcoin season yesterday, and surprisingly, more people than not said that they this is closer than I thought it would be. Do you think an altcoin season is coming? And they said, interesting. Yeah, a lot of people this is okay. If I asked this question even a month ago, this would have been 80% yes. So people are starting to learn that maybe not everything's going to go up. Very interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Also, I don't even know who's Buddy AI these days in your comment section. It's ridiculous. All right. So back to Myriad markets. Up or down? What's this market? This is a social experiment. Hey, exactly. It's a social experiment to engage social sentiment. No trading fees charged. Trading only will never be will never be resolved towards either option. So you just swing trade this. since the dawn. Yeah, see, Eli, you don't get it, bro. Questions have been asked since the dawn of time, mate.
Fuck. Oh,
To
no.
be
Is he awake now? Is Eli awake right now?
Yeah, he's commenting.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he commented bounce ? What is this? No resolution. This mark. So you're just swing trading up or down. So okay, here's my take on this. Because we're in a bull market now, I think if you actually click the down now and you wait 6 months or a year, you will profit on this trade. Quote me, clip it, tag me in 6 months' time or whenever the bear market hits. It'll be the opposite, right? It'll be the opposite.
Mm-hmm.
That's a fair take, right? That's a fair take. I mean, yeah, that's a very fair take. So I kind of understand that. I think this is just gauging social sentiment.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually don't mind the down here, to be honest. I don't mind the down there as a swing trade. Will Bitcoin outperform gold in 2025? Oh, dude, I'm so furious about troll, but it is what it is. Hey, all of this American football. Can we have like Australian football, please? Like, no one gives a shit.
Yeah, I just don't know enough about it.
I'm so sorry, but I don't like it. The world is bigger than America. I know it has a lot of market. I know it has money. Yeah. But the world is bigger than America, guys. Don't forget that. Yeah. Clemente got rinsed against Easy.
I saw. Yeah, I was on easy, thank God.
I feel like this is a pretty easy trade here. So link above $25 at the end of September 10th. That's literally in 2 days' time. It's at $22. Let me check. Where's the chart? Yeah, it's at 22.5 and it's still rejecting this. Yeah, no. Well, it needs to be about $25. Oh my God, that's a huge move. See, but same again though. We're getting this consolidation. There's a lot of charts I like. I do like a lot of these charts at the moment because they're starting to show me some really bullish signs. But that could be a little cheeky punt. Maybe I'll do that one.
Yeah, link looks good.
How much do I win? $2. Hell yeah, baby.
You're in.
Where are you on the leaderboard for this season on Myriad, mate?
I dropped. I'm 2,200 now. I was 1,900, but some of you dirty dogs must be spending a lot of USDC. I need to spend some more to get up the ranks, I guess.
Me and you are the same, mate. I'm at 2,100.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm about there. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I've been consistent, so it must be a half decent score.
Yeah.
Hey, I see people making some good money on Play Pudgy, the skins.
Yeah,
one just sold for fucking $5,000.
Wow. Yeah, someone tagged me in that in the DM.
5,000 US. Like, that's good, bro. It's the silly season in the bull run now, eh?
Like, it is, mate. And anyone that says it's not is crazy.
$5,000 for a skin. Congrats to buyer and seller. Mainly to the seller.
I'm trying to find, dude. Someone sent me a DM about this literally this morning, and I cannot find it. Oh well. Yeah, no, you're right. No, I mean, yeah, GG's. Like, if you get a rich one, if you get a rare one, yeah, then you're printing. So that's cool. I love seeing that. Yeah, very interesting.
Can you earn XP from playing that?
No, I don't think so. Chat, who can you do that? Can you do that? Can you earn XP from playing PUBG or not?
I need to know.
You're down 75% on your abstract wallet. I'm only down 50. So I still have some hope with XP's building right. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the XP hasn't gone away. So you have time. You have time at least in what they're looking at. See, we want to find a market here that's closer to 50%. Will Pengu be a top 50 currency on September 14? Let's have a look. Where do you think Pengu's currently rated? It's 53rd. So 50 is 2.03 trillion. No, billion, sorry. And Pudgy Penguins is 1.93. So it needs 100 million increase in 6 days. I like the chart.
Yeah, the chart does look good, but is 6 days long enough?
Is 6 days enough for 100 million or
Could be close. Look at VeChain, eh? Did your VeChain still?
Yeah, well, I think they sponsor like a heap of stuff in America. I think
they do. Yeah, I used to have all of those VeChain, Algorand. Fuck, man. Takes me
Oh my
back.
god! So the yes is up here. So hold on, this resolution. Okay, here. So market close 14th. Market target 2 billion. Oh no. Yeah, so you have to read this, guys. Okay, this is a different trade to being the top 50. The top 50 would be flipping the 50th position. This is just if it crosses 2 billion.
Okay,
That's
so
very different.
Go up.
Yeah, see, you need to read the fine print, guys, because this does yeah. Oh no, it does. Oh wait, they've changed it. The wording has literally changed. Unless there's two markets and I clicked on the wrong one. Oh no, yeah. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. I clicked on the wrong one. My apologies, guys. My apologies. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So no, will Pengu be a top 50 cryptocurrency on a 14th? Oh yeah. See, the market's pumped a little bit here. So the yeses are up. So resolution deadline, coin market cap is September 14th, which is in 6 days.
Mm-hmm.
A lot can happen in 6 days, Craig.
I know. We could have a Bitcoin all-time high by then.
I know. Oh, dude, no, I'm not gonna take a punt on this one. Okay, what about this one though? The 2 billion. Where is it? Pengu market cap above 2 billion before mid-September. So that's 15th of September.
Mm-hmm.
And it's it's just shy of that now. It's at 1.93. The chart looks good. That could be a little bit of that could be a good one. Chart does look good here, but again, like this is a range. So for those people that maybe don't know what I mean, it's this, okay? It needs to get above. Let me zoom in a little bit. Basically this is a range for Pengu. Let me make the colors different so you guys can see. Let's make it green. So that's the top of the range and the bottom of the range would be down here, okay? That's your range, okay? We have deviation, multiple hits, and blah, blah, blah. So that's a range, okay? So Pengu might reject from here and do this again. Right. So then that would be the bets would definitely be better on the other side. So yeah, interesting, Craig. I don't know. Interesting. Cool. Any other markets you're looking at? Any other markets?
Probably more these ones. I've kind of predicted everything I could. I hadn't had a lot of new things they added. I'm trying to think what I'm even in. I mean, all the crypto ones. I haven't looked at the sports ones. What's that Supreme Lead of Iran?
I don't know.
I haven't done that either. Maybe I should start getting into the political ones. Maybe I'm missing out. I wonder if many people get onto those or not.
Easy's quite bullish on Gemini. No. Sorry. Oh. I think Easy's on this one, but I swear he's on the no. Maybe that's a different one that I misread. New Solana all-time high by the end of the year. Oh, juicy.
It's a long time away, though, eh?
This one here is interesting. Exactly 2 Fed rate changes. Now, I think, again, if you look, is it just 2 changes or is it
that could be yes,
50 basis points?
Yeah.
I think it's like just 2 changes. Yeah. So like, yeah, so basically they could cut once and then cut twice. So yeah, this is basically probably a yes, right? Because there's only 2 opportunities left in the year, isn't there? I don't know. Again, I don't know this.
Might only
need to do more research. But yeah, no, there's a lot of opportunities over here. Cardona's even go on. What the hell? Get off there. Yeah, I don't know. Will Donald Trump meet the Pope in 2025?
Shit, these are ridiculous.
There's some ridiculous ones on here, man.
They must. How do they come up with some?
Oh, this is okay. This is the ones that I don't mind. Retspa market cap mid-September. Okay, let's look at the chart. Speaking of, Cyclops looks really good here. I don't mind the chart. I bought some before. Is there anything you're looking at this moment in time? Or not really?
Me? I was just waiting to see how the abstract Memecoins responded. Looks like they're starting to bounce.
Yeah. Yeah, they are starting to bounce, but the whole market's starting to bounce. This bounced exactly, guys, exactly off the golden pocket. Good go.
So it's nice to see for my fucking bags, man.
Your bags.
Just like that user before was down 75%. That's quite a brutal down.
Yeah,
But
that's worse than me. I'm only down 50-ish.
yeah, I'd be around there as well. So I'd suggest you're in the smaller market cap ones, or you could be a newt, I guess. If you'd if you'd held from the top, you'd be down a fair bit. But yeah, that ain't shit too, God, really.
I mean, it's still bull flag here that I'm happy. Like, I have a lot of money in this. I mean, someone just dumped it a little bit more on stream right now, but like,
beautiful.
I I'm happy to hodl. Happy to hodl personally.
Same. I'm just gonna. I like I said with Eli and you last week on stream, these had already pulled back before I got to exit, so I just had to ride the storm, unfortunately. But yeah, I wasn't going to sell. I wasn't going to sell at those levels, and I think it'll bounce from here anyway. I think. Speaking to you last week, we got September. It could be a rocky September. We've got 3 weeks left of it. I figure I've just got to hold my nerve until then. That's not the greatest trading advice. Hold your nerve, but it sort of depends what the situation is. And I think these are going to bounce along with everything else, like you just said. But I'm not going to sell these at the. I mean, I guess for me and you, Greeny, a lot of other people watching, the reason why we're in a lot of these is A, because we think other people will flood in, but B, we want the XP. So
yeah,
it changes things for me slightly. Admittedly. Being down 17K US to earn some XP. We'll see if that bodes well in the future, bro, because it means that I have to earn like 30 grand.
Craig, I'm down 60,000 US.
Yeah, so that does
unrealized. It's all unrealized. It's all unrealized. Hey?
Yeah, it does make me pucker up a bit, but at the same time, I think we're going to get a relief bounce, and I think we're going to get an exit.
I hope so, and I think so as well. Guna looks really good here. Unlike the other ones, like this one's now grinding up against resistance. Redspur's a big bounce as well.
Yeah, Redspur's looking
a nice bounce off support as well. Still volume low, so breakout. Yeah, a lot of charts are looking nice here for potential swing trades opportunities. Cyclops as well actually looks pretty good here. Not gonna lie. It looks pretty good as well. Nice little breakout currently happening. Cyclops
looks strong compared to the others, doesn't
it? Correct. I bought some this morning. I did buy some this morning. I already had some, but I bought some more. So
yeah, that's a strong looking chart compared to the other ones. Did Cyclops kind of wear its downtrend or pullback earlier than the others?
Maybe. I think it's like on the back of Dith and Thakani and those guys. Like I think it's generally just
$2 million raise.
It's like obviously associated. Associated. It's yeah. I think it's just different and unique in a way that the others aren't. Right. So
I agree with that. It's probably worth having a little bag of that actually.
Abster as well. See again. Like people like I'd have big breakups like this. This there was that trading group. This there is that trading group. So like if you ignore those two big price actions, and it really hasn't done too much, right? So look, I'm getting interested in this. I wanted sub 20, and I've been saying that literally for a while. I said sub 20 and I become interested. Again, I'll keep an eye on this. Maybe I don't get it. Maybe I should buy a little bag of it here. I'm not sure. I haven't decided on that one yet. Yeah. My query is the liquidity still on these tokens, Craig. Like God, I love these guys. I love the team. I think it does run it back, but I do worry from a point of view of like how much money I have in this token, and I'd rather having an equal spread of some of the other ones. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. But you can't sell this. If I try and sell all of this, like, not good.
Shouldn't you wreck the chart?
Yeah, well, I'll wreck the chart because there's no liquidity. So
nah, you're fucking. I'll buy though if you full clip out.
Well, I mean, hey, do you want to do OTC? Hey, do you want to do OTC deal?
Yeah, actually, I saw you in a chat asking about was it SMP OTC?
Yeah, that was a lot.
Yeah, I know.
No, but I'll do an OTC deal with you today. We'll talk about
of what God?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we could do that. Okay. If you're keen. And if you are keen, OTC deal. I have to trust you though, so if I don't know you, then I'm probably not going to.
Yeah, you're going to get all sorts. Hey, you send first.
You sent first? No.
Yeah, trust me, man. Trust me.
SMP didn't. Yeah, the breakout didn't go well. Fake out, dump. Yeah.
Fuck, guys. You're killing me on that bag.
So just a reminder, Eli. I didn't cut into support. I cut after a nice 3x trade, 4x trade nearly. and front ran this dump. So hey, here's what it is. Bitcoin's chilling. It's now, it's back at 13 mil. Oh, back in its range. See, I did say that. I did say this is a big range for it to flip. Deviation above, back in the range.
It's got a bit of work to do. That's that could take a while.
Yeah, I mean, everything's down. Everything's down, guys. Like I can't, I'm not here to pick on specific things, but yeah,
it could go up 33%.
Yeah, it could. Yeah, it could. So yeah,
that's a big jump for Google, man. What's going on there?
Yeah.
Oh no, but Cyclops is 22%. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. How did the Eli? What did the Cyclops 101 NFT sell for?
Oh,
not the Cyclops 101. The GLHF.
I think it was 11 ETH.
11.
Which
juicy,
is
juicy.
Fucking ridiculous, man. That whole ecosystem is just pumping, man. That's killing it, eh?
Okay, so Eli, yeah, he is killing it, mate. Shout out to his team. I know you guys were talking about investing. I was like, come on, man. I would have given you some money.
Yeah, I know. That was also a bit like, fuck.
So the question I have is, Eli says Thakani might buy some OTC God too. So hold on, I'll send him a message in TG. Yeah, look, the market looks pretty good here, but again, this is one. Somnia had their tokens up 280% since it joined launched like 2 days ago. So that's up nice and large today as well. But the market does look like, look at this big candle here today on the, like, look at this. This is like an hour. Like what? Why are we pumping every Sunday? Literally every Sunday, American time, we see a pump. We see a pump. I don't get it.
It's weird, eh?
I don't get it. Rect looks pretty good. Pump, obviously, this is a really good trade. I'm fully out of this trade now. So
are you? Yeah, I wonder if my DCAs of my sell limits have.
What was your entry? What price?
Oh, fuck, was it? I think it was point. Where is it? Point zero. I think it was 0.0025, not 15, like I originally said last week on the show. I think it was
well, that's pretty much the lows, really. So
yeah, so almost a 2x now.
Oh yeah, you're up 2x. Nice.
Yeah, just a 2x for holding for a couple of months, but I'll take it. I'll take it. No, I'll take a 2x, dude. I wonder if it's sold. I'm actually just checking there. I would have set some to sell at a 2x, so surely it went through. Trading like a pro, not knowing where your limits are. Fuck, I don't even know. I must have sold a little bit. Yeah, it's sold a little bit. I'm still in though, but I think I sold about 30% there.
Yeah.
But it's fuck all money. Yeah, but that's a nice chart, dude. Fuck. Like if you'd put in size at the bottom there, yeehaw.
Yeah.
It's probably the best looking chart in crypto at the moment.
No, it literally is one of the best charts in crypto. So, all right, I just DM'd the Carney. Thanks, Eli.
The Carney.
So, Bromley went for 11 ETH. Yeah, it went for 11 ETH.
Yeah, that's crazy, eh? Fuck, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's a silly. Wow.
Like just for yeah. I think you got, what was the benefit? You got some revenue towards the money that they owned or something.
Oh, okay. So each one of those one-of-ones, what comes with a
special perk was what? Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of cool. 11 ETH, cool.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Shucks. I guess, yeah, it's a good ecosystem. Someone's got fucking a lot of ETH to spend, though. Should I be gun shy to spend that?
Yeah.
In fact, what are big pudgies ETH-wise at the moment?
9.9.
Would you grab a big pudgy or?
Okay, that was another reason I sold. One Moonbird and my little pudgy and some other things is because I was like, what if these go down to 9 ETH, like 9, like flat, I become very interested.
Yeah, you think you're grabbing another big?
Yeah, I think I'd rather own a second big than the other ones. But yeah, look, Moonbird's holding up very well. Honestly, who knows? Maybe I'll buy another one back if they go sub 10K. Who knows?
Yeah, again, they are holding up well.
Yeah. All right, sorry, I'm just replying to Thakani. Market looks good. Market looks pretty good. Everything's bumping. Rect also wants to try and break out here. Hasn't quite done it yet, but it's holding up this level. This looks pretty good as well. Like this is one that just screams probably good opportunity. Even again, I could plow 50 grand into this and just swing trade this for a 2x move, walk away. That's a salary for a year, right? Like this is the thinking I'm having at the moment around the market.
I agree.
I'd rather yeah, I mean, yeah, Chris says, what about Sui? Yeah, look, I don't know. I traded Sui meme coins a long time ago. So let me have a look. How much volume's on Sui? We have 173 volume on Sui. I am in a deep book long. There are some other tokens here. Wall tokens, one that I'm interested in. But look at this. Like, where's the meme coins? There's no meme coins here. And what is this ranked by? Volume? That's not ranked by volume. This is now ranked by volume. Like, where's the meme coins here? Hippo. That's a meme coin. The first meme coin is 50th on the list. And it's market cap's 19 mil. What's the token he's saying? Lo-fi. Yeah, I do remember that one. Which one has more volume? I mean, they're both the same. So 20 million. Yeah, but like, I don't know. There's, as we always say, there's always money to be made everywhere in this market. There's so many daily opportunities, but in the same token, it's like, well, sure, but like, is this going to receive a bounce eventually, or is this just like, I don't know. It's just a thought.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a bit out of my comfort zone hitting over there as well.
It's been a while since I've traded on Sui. Been a while. Yeah, I mean, like that is. Look, you might get a bounce. I kind of agree, like with your take. You might get a bounce over on some of these memes, like you might, but like I don't know, it's just not. I don't know.
I think it'll be with things like that are a bit more exotic. I almost feel like if there is a bounce, you'd have to be so fucking tapped in.
You literally are watching this chart twice a day.
Yeah, like it would stress me out because I think imagine how many holders are watching this chart going, I want out. Just looking at, obviously, it's been on a downtrend for quite some time. Maybe the damage is done, but I don't know. Yeah, fuck, that would make me itchy. I mean, we're an abstract one, so I can't really talk. But
yeah, exactly.
It's just as edgy. But at least I know with that I'm earning XP. Yeah. So I kind of think to myself, fuck, it kind of takes a bit of the pain out of the drawdowns. But yeah, we just got to trust Luca fixes us up.
Yeah, there's a few charts I like here. Bonk as well. I know Thakani just jumped on stream as well. Yeah, Bonk does. I don't mind this chart. I want to see what happens here with this breakout, or is this just another rejection here? But yeah, I don't mind Bonk chart. I do not mind it.
In ages.
But yeah, market looks pretty good today, Craig.
Myself, I think, and this goes off the Wizard tweet you put Jed as well. I don't know. I think not over trading at the moment is fucking important, man. I think hunting for plays. I don't want to say don't do it, but shit, I don't know, man. I'm like you. I'm keen to take bigger swings at safer bets, which sounds really weird. Because hunting for like low caps are great, and I'm not saying don't do it. It's just my just where we are in the cycle at the moment. I want to win, man. I'm quite defensive at the moment with my money. To a certain degree, I was a lot more carefree a year ago or two, especially 2 years ago, man. Fuck, I would have thrown heaps of money at low caps, but now I'm like, the runway short now, man. The runway short could be 6 months. Yeah, here we go. He's putting out some good takes lately, Wizard. He cops a bit of shit, but
yeah, he's good. He's good. I mean, he's a good trader. He's just a good trader.
People, why do people hate on him? Is it just the flexes of the watches?
It's probably just the wealth flex. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know why people hate him.
I don't know why he cops so much shit. His takes can be quite good.
Yeah, agreed. So no, I agree. I very much agree with this point. Like, trade less. Market is uncertain. Fed is uncertain. Economy is uncertain. I couldn't agree more.
I agree. There's just too much. Yeah, too much uncertainty. Good time to be in Bitcoin, man.
Yeah.
Feels more stable. Do I buy some more Bitcoin, Greenie, at this level?
Well, it depends. Have you been? When was the last time you bought in?
About 109.
Okay.
109. Do I need some more? Or yeah. Fuck, where is it? Let me look at it. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. I personally not because I bought lower.
Yeah. Maybe I need to wait for a pullback, see if I can get 107.
Yeah. Bit of a weird chart going on here, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm just not super comfortable with sitting.
Yeah. All right. Anything else we want to talk about today? It's look, market's doing okay. We've just opened the new day and dot. Oh no, I was about to say it's up 4%, but it's not. It hadn't refreshed. Everything's back. Open, new market open. So SPX, yeah, a lot of things just pumped literally in the last few hours. A lot, like SPX as well, like a lot of things are up. So keep an eye out. But as I've been saying for a while, okay, I'm not here to try and time bottoms, okay? I'm here to time the next higher low here, and that's the shit I want to. That's the trade I'm looking for. That's the stuff I go, yep, I'm happy with that. Bang, take me that, give me that 2x move there, and I'll walk into the sunset. I don't even care. Those sorts of things.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of levels I'm looking at. And you've got to exercise patience. Again, I promise you I'll see shit on the timeline today. Oh my God, we had a huge bump. I missed the bottom. You're not trying to catch the bottom, mate. You're trying to catch the breakout. That's the trade. You're trying to catch the breakout. So a lot of charts look good here. I need to move SPX back up higher because that is one I'm definitely interested in.
Have you still got bags of SPX? Are you still
I
in?
sold all. Yeah. And I actually sold all my MOG as well more recently.
Did ya? Yeah. Put that on the timeline.
I get slammed by that community.
Yeah, they get aggressive, eh? They must be pretty sour by now, though, man. That's
right. As if you're idiots if they don't do it. Eli's shilling some low cap
money in that coin, bro.
I know, bro.
Massive bags. I don't know what they did if they sold. I don't even have the heart to ask.
No, I know. Eli reckons there's some bloody low cap token he's shilling me in my stream. Hold on, let me have a look. What is it? Moby. Okay, Nub is not a bad one. I don't mind, but like, I don't know, Mary. Like again, it's the same chart. Like every chart looks like this right now. You're not wrong. This could break out high. It's probably worth a little punt if you want, but it's the same chart as that one before that we spoke about on Sui. It's like you gotta be plugged in here. You gotta have an invalidation probably below the low at 11.5. And then you're looking to swing trade this pretty aggressively into a pump, right? Like that's a 2x move there. So maybe this is a trade. Maybe we should give you a channel on GTG and you can call stuff and then we can track your record. You've been good recently, mate. So yeah, maybe might be worth a punt. I need to move some money around and maybe I'll jump on with you. Mm-hmm. But yeah, anything else you want to talk about today, Craig?
No, today's just one of those days. Obviously, like we said, alts are moving up nicely. It's actually kind of cool to see them pump while Bitcoin's just chilling. Mm-hmm. In saying that, oh no, that's on the weekly. I was going to say on the weekly, Bitcoin just turned red. Actually, everything just turned red. Just then, it's funny how it can change. No, not a lot. I don't know if there's a lot to talk about in the market at the moment, other than just relax, everyone. I think the market's still bullish. I think we're still macro bullish. I think the whole of September, we're probably going to have similar conversations about, oh, we're up, oh, we're down, oh, we're up, oh, we're down, oh, we're up. You know what I mean? It's going to be pretty emotional. People are going to get pissed off. People are going to get mad, sell their bags, and then we giga pump, and everyone's going to get euphoric. Everyone's going to enter. I'm going to exit when they enter, and then I'm going to have a great holiday. But now, as far as buying things, I'm just being patient, dude. It's boring.
You have to, though. You have to.
It's a boring chat to have, and I'm sure everyone listening's like, "Fuck, give us the next thing. But I don't know what it is yet. I am still waiting. I still think before the end of the bull run, I still think there'll be I feel there'll be another meta that comes. Okay. There'll be something, and I don't know if it'll be new, but it will appear new. It'll be a wrapped up, shiny thing, which I'm kind of waiting for. So I'm just keeping a bit of money on the sideline for what the next thing will be. I don't know if it'll be a meme coin, if it'll be a Ponzi, if it'll be, I don't know what, but I'm kind of just waiting. I'm waiting for the market to kind of become clearer for me.
Yeah.
I kind of feel in my head I'm not clear enough to make decisive decisions with large amounts of money.
Exactly.
And I'm really in quite deep. Like it's at that part of the run now where I've kind of made my bets. And I'm not especially keen to throw the last bit of my dry powder at the market right now. I want the market to talk to me. I guess that's probably the lesson at the moment for people. The hardest part is now when you want to go into things, but I'm just unsure. Just feels a bit like cloudy to me.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to wait to see what September does. I think, I don't know if I'm going to regret this. I think this month could be okay.
Oh yeah, I think we just chop sideways personally.
I don't think the damage will be too bad, but
No.
I don't clip that, guys. Imagine we just knife down to 99.
I'm still, yeah. I'm impartial. We could go lower, we could go higher. I think we chop. Is personally my.
I'm just trying not to get excited,
Yeah.
but then on the same side, I'm trying not to get upset. So
Yeah.
I think now's the time of the market. You just got to settle your nerves, make sure. I think balancing your portfolio is important. Make sure that you cut weak trades into stronger ones if you need to.
Mm-hmm.
But I think patience is required. It's such a fucking boring chat to have, and it's not euphoric, and I know it's not what people want to hear, but it's probably what you need to hear.
Yeah.
As far as other things to put money in, there's just nothing screaming to me.
Mm-hmm.
Screaming. What would be screaming is Pengu if I didn't have bags of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably one thing I'm really, really keen on.
Mm-hmm.
Other than that, man, not a lot. Is anything you're eyeing up a lot?
Not really. No, nothing. There's like the bonk trade is one I'm looking at. Pengu here, not bad. It's like I said, it's like wrecked. I did buy some wreck more recently as well. This looks pretty nice here, triple bottom forming.
Yeah, Rex
Again,
probably the other one.
Yeah, if it breaks down below that, sure. Like I'll probably cut and look for a re-entry at the 618. Yeah, it's more about as you just said, like staying patient here. Like what's happening with the market, what's the majors doing, all those sorts of things.
Yeah, and I just think understanding where we are in a macro perspective is important. Like you said, we're unsure about rate cuts. September's historically choppy.
Mm-hmm.
There's just there's a fair amount of data that just says relax, don't fucking ape and just
Q4 is historically the bullish time into Q4.
So, I think we're coming up to a really good time of the year. I mean, historically Q4 is fucking great. Like I remember Q4 21 was great, dude. So I have fond memories of this time of the bull run. I just remember around now, you just got to chill, don't get carried away, keep some dry powder on the side, and I think get ready to enter on confirmed breakouts would be pretty juicy, bro. So yeah, I'm just watching, just trying to get money on the side, waiting to enter. Yeah, but. Nah, nothing that I'm like must buy. Nah, nothing.
Yeah,
Nothing.
I think that's a fair way to end the show, guys. Is there going to be an altcoin season? Last question.
Yes, for selected altcoins.
Okay.
I wouldn't call it an altcoin season. I would call it the winning or stronger altcoins. I think the strong altcoins are going to get the volume that used to be spread over all the alts. I think now it's just going to be consolidated into the clear winners, e.g. Solana, probably Ethereum. And then I'm probably going to go down into memes from there, bro. I don't even have a lot of alts that I
genuinely agree with that. Yeah.
Link.
Yeah, Link, Hype are probably the ones from a
Hype, sorry. There's probably 5 alts I'd say those are good bets. And then I'd go down to memes, which is fucking weird to say, man.
Yeah.
How weird is that? If you'd asked me that in 21 and I said...
Yeah, it's wild though. I'd say DeFi. DeFi could be a
DeFi? Yep.
DeFi on Sol, DeFi on even Sui, DeFi on Ethereum. It's probably not a bad shade as well. And then obviously same again with your top memes. Keep an eye on those. They're being strength all cycle, particularly utility. Maybe Rect and Pengu really shine through there. But even something like Nobody Sausage or maybe Nubcap, which has such social presence and understanding, something like that could be just a really simple trade as well. So I know, just keep an eye on all those. It would be my suggestion.
Sup, Floppy? There's a few people at Abstract. Hello, Abstract. People tuning in on a Sunday in America. Hello.
Appreciate it, guys. Well, I think we wrap there, Craig. We're giving away again $1,000 on Friday, guys. So make sure you tune into that show. We'll give you the code for Yeet. Massive shout out to them for partnering with us over the past 2 weeks, I suppose.
Fairly fresh into the piece, but shout out to them. I'll give our usual shout outs, Greeny. Shout out to once again OKX. We had our live event with them last week. That was an absolute ripper. For those who came along, thank you very much. But shout out to OKX Australia for supporting us. First partner and fantastic partner. So if you're into spot trading, give them a go. Links in description. And then again, massive shout out to Yeet who are funding our giveaways. Super cool to be able to do that for our viewers. Obviously, one of the things Green and I want to do, apart from educate and entertain, is give back. So awesome that we get to do that in quite a large way. I think $1,000 US is fucking great, dude, to give away every week. That's pretty sick. So I'm pretty proud to be able to do that. So thanks to all our partners, and also once again thanks to the viewers for pulling up on a Sunday. Get ahead of the market, and Greeny, thanks for pulling up even after a Bucks party. It's pretty good effort, dude. I'd be dead in a coffin by now. So
yeah, no. And I forgot to mention I might have COVID, so we'll wait and see how.
So you've done well.
So we'll see. So anyways, yeah, thanks, Craig. Appreciate you, legend. Chat, great to tune with you. And just a reminder, guys, we will be exclusively probably not streaming on Twitter this week, just to give it a trial, see what it's like. So go follow us on Kick at GC Crypto. And then obviously you can watch us on Abstract or our own YouTube channels as well. But yeah, Kick will be the main sort of focus longer term, I think, moving forward for GC Crypto. So go follow us there, or sub if you want to support us as well. We very much appreciate it if you do sub to the channel. Craig, mate, have a lovely Monday, and I look forward to our chat tomorrow.
Yeah, dude, I'm going to go mow the lawn. You rest up from your COVID. I'm going to go and mow the lawn, man, and do the dad house owner duties, eh?
That'll be me later in the week.
Anyway, chat, we'll catch you tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard as per normal.
Easy. Thanks, Craig. Thanks, chat. See ya.
Cheers, guys.